Oh man, so yeah, this is Bang Tao Beach here in kind of the north of the island, but the beach is really nice. Just like soft white sand, crystal clear blue water. Oh man, yeah, it's just kind of like a really peaceful part of the island, like away from all the craziness of Patong. Some of the other areas are just kind of like party beaches, whereas here it's just much more laid back. So yeah man, we're just gonna walk down a little further, but this is Bang Tao Beach here in Phuket, Thailand. Oh man, yeah, this beach is honestly incredibly long. It just goes on forever.